Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install games from Google Play Store, but they are stuck on pending or you can't even open a page to install them. So let's start with Google Play Store. Right here we're gonna go for any game, and when we select install, it's stuck in a pending mode. So we can cancel it for now and move on to the fix, open your settings and then scroll all the way down till you see additional settings. Here find the date and time and enable set time automatically. If you go back to your Google Play Store and try to install the same game, it should begin just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.